Hi guys, Steve here, or Spud the Sparky. Been asked by Expert Trades to review the Profit holesaw set. This is the wood set. Would have been a bit better if I'd had the metal one because I'm an electrician, but I've tried it out as best I can. And yeah, basically it's a pretty useful bit of kit because it doesn't jam up like a regular hole saw. It's quick release, so you've just got a button on the unit to put it onto the drill, which is a lot easier than having to do up and undo a hole saw arbor. And yeah, it doesn't clog up like a regular hole saw, because with the quick release you can just shake out the bit of wood because it's got the notch down the side. Nice clean cut through the wood. Comes in multiple different sizes. Yeah, bit of wood just dropped straight out. Yeah, you can get it for wood bits, metal bits, and there's also like a multi-purpose bit as well. So I suppose you just get which ones you need for your job. The only things that I've noticed from using this kit is you've got the notch here, which the hole saw joins onto. And almost needs to be slightly shorter because I find you lose a bit of control on the hole saw just by the amount of space between the tip of the pilot and where the hole saw locks onto. So you got quite a big end there, but all in all it's pretty good unit. Like, it'd be good to get one of the multi-purpose bits for like downlights and things like that. But yeah, so yeah, Profit hole saws. I'd probably try them out if you're ever thinking of a new hole saw set, or because they're just easy to use. Yeah, and so yeah, I've been Steve, or Spud the Sparky, and this has been a review for Expert Trades Tool Talk.